Good morning students. In this class I will be doing matriculation syllabus class 9. So I am doing first chapter set language. One exercise already I have completed. I am doing second exercise. Okay. So exercise 1.2. Sixth sum is if S is equal to square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle, list the elements of the following subset of S. So few conditions are given for the subset. We are asked to find the elements of that subset. Okay. So first one is sixth subdivision. First one is the set of shapes which have first one is the set of shapes which have four equal sides. So square has all four sides equal. Same way rhombus has four sides equal. So square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. Then next one is, second one is the set of shapes which have radius. So which shape has radius? Circle has radius. So that is the subset for that set. Then third one is the set of shapes in which the sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. So for a triangle only we will have the interior angle as 180 degree. Okay. Then fourth one is the set of shapes which have five sides. If you take a square, it is a four-sided figure. Rectangle, four sides. Circle, it is a round shape. Rhombus, four sides. Triangle, three sides. So we don't have any elements in the given set that has five sides. So it is a null set. Okay. So sixth sum is over. Then seventh one, if A is equal to A comma B, write all the subsets of A. So we are asked to write the subsets of A. So first we will write the set itself, A comma B. This is a subset. Then A is a subset. Then AB is a subset. Then AB is a subset. Then next one is null set. No element. So all these are the subsets of the given set. Now next sum is write down the power set of the following set. So what is the power set of a set? All the subsets of the set of a given set are called the power set of the given set. So first one is A is equal to A comma B. So we have two elements of this. So subsets of A are, what are the subsets of A? We will have two elements for this set. So two elements for this set. The subsets will have four elements for this. That is, one is A, then B, then AB, then null set. So these are the subsets of the set. So the power set of A is equal to, you have to write everything inside the bracket. That's all. So this is A, B, AB, and then null set. So these are the power set of A. Then B is equal to, it is given 1, 2, 3. Okay. So subsets of B are 1, 2, 3. 1 elements we have to write. Then we will combine 2 elements. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Then we have to write all the 3 elements together. 1, 2, 3. Then null set. Okay, so these are the subsets of this set B with 3 elements. So the power set of B is equal to, everything you have to write it inside the bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and then null set. Okay, so this is the power set of B. Then D is subset of D or we'll write all the elements separately first. P, Q, R and S. Separately we'll write. Then two things we will combine. PQ, PR and PS. Then PQ, PR, PS. Then QR and QS. QR and QS. PQ, PR, PS. Then QR, QS. Then RS. So two sets combining is over. Then 3 we have to take. PQR, PQS. Then QRS. QRS. So first one is PQR, then PQS over. Then QRS. Then next one is RSP. Then next one is RSP. Okay, so this P one more time I will say. PQR, then PQS, then QRS and RSP. Then all 4 elements PQRS. Then next one is null set. So the power set of the subset of D or this one, the same thing you will be writing within the set brackets for power set. So the power set of D, the power set of D is equal to, within brackets I write, first one is null set, then the same thing only, P, Q, R, S, then PQ, PR, PS, PQ, PR, PS, then QR, QS, then QR, QS, then RS. So 2 set is over. Then PQR and PRS. Then QRS, then RSP. Then 4 elements together, PQRS. So these are the power set of D, of set D. Then the last one is E is equal to pi. So the power set of E is null set. So E is equal to pi, that is nothing but null set. So power set of E is equal to null set. So fourth one is the power set. Since E is equal to null, no elements are there. The power set of E is null set. There won't be any elements in the set. So with this, I am completing today's class in class 9 set language chapter. Remaining sums I do it in the next class. So if you have any doubts, post me in the message box. Thank you.